This is, something that's kind of interesting to see. Certain markets, quite a few markets actually, the Lyft bonus to sign up has been going up and has been staying there. We kind of talked about it a little bit a couple of weeks ago as we first saw it, but it's still continuing to be there. TM, thank you for the super chat. Uber is manipulating cancellation rate and keeping you at 5%. Yeah, we could talk about that. That's a little bit different of a topic. Yeah, it's quite crazy. But thank you for the super chat. But going on, as we were saying, yeah, they are offering a lot of sign-on bonus. So here's one right here. This is $670 for new driver bonus when you give 210 rides in your first 30 days in the LA area. And it's interesting because there is quite a bit of drivers in some of these markets, or it's a feeling that it's oversaturated, yet they are signing up new drivers and giving big sign-on bonuses. Now, why would we bring this up to drivers who are already driving? And this is actually kind of something that we had talked about and alluded to earlier when it came to this poll. This is a poll that we posted 5 months ago, and it says, you drive for both Uber and Lyft. Almost half of people here do not drive both platforms. I don't know why you are not driving on both platforms. I don't know why you're not signed up for both platforms. But here's the thing. They're offering pretty good bonuses to sign up and drive. So if you are one of those drivers who are not signed up on both platforms, especially on the Lyft platform, and you're just driving on Uber, sign up for Lyft. Use the link in the description below and get that referral code to be able to get that bonus. So you can actually get out there, give, whatever it might be. It might be 210 rides. It might be 120 rides. It might be 150, whatever it might be. But sign up for both platforms. Be on both. Go make that money. It's free money at this point. And on top of that, when it comes to signing up for the both platforms, again, you're on both platforms. So that means when you're sitting there waiting for Uber rides to come in and it's slow, or there's a lot of drivers out, or whatever it might be that's going on, you can turn on the Lyft platform as well too. And hey, guess what? Now you've just doubled the chances of getting a ride. Then on top of that, if there's other companies that are in your particular market, sign up for those. If you're doing food delivery, sign up for that. And then have all these on at the same time. And you're going to have much less downtime. Your utilization time and rate is going to go up much higher and get much closer to 100% being utilized in periods 2 and 3 versus sitting there waiting for a ride or food delivery coming on. So, yeah.
All right. I agree with Chris 1,000,000%. If you're not on both platforms, okay, you're not on both platforms, so you get deactivated. What are you going to do? Then you're going to go sign up for Lyft, right? I mean, look, I'm not shy about it. I just signed up.
Bonuses at that point.
Yeah, get their money, take their money. Look, I'm not going to be shy about it. I just signed up a driver, Chris. And unfortunately, they had lowered my bonus from $1,000 to $400, and his was $350 for 190 trips, right? So what do? He signs up, goes through the system. I get on the phone with him and do like an hour and a half coaching session with him, so he doesn't get out there willy-nilly. Give him the exact strategy, what he needs to do to get that $350 the quickest way. Boom, it's out there. I mean, people will say, oh, oversaturation. I'm like, look, market is already oversaturated. So, I mean, people, you have to understand this. You can make literally more money by referring a driver now than driving for a whole week, okay? So you have to put, don't put all your eggs in one basket. This is exactly that. Don't just be on Uber. Don't just be on Lyft. I've been saying this for almost a year and a half now. Your time is for sale to the highest bidder. From trip to trip, you do not know who the highest bidder is going to be for your time. Is it Uber? Is it Lyft? Is it DoorDash? Is it Grubhub? Is it Walmart, Spark? Whoever and whatever they are. You must, in 2024, this is not 2016, that you could be just on Uber and cash out $3K a week. It doesn't work like that anymore. You need to be on both apps, and if you're not, you are committing a crime against your bank account. That's what you're doing.
Yeah. Well, not only that, I mean, it just makes it's just smart. Like if you're hurting for money or something, or if it's slow and you are only on one platform and not on Lyft, sign up, take advantage of that. And you're going to make extra money for giving those rides on top of whatever you're going to make. So, I mean, right here, Chewy says it right. If you're not driving both Uber and Lyft, you're doing it wrong. Craig says 1,200 sign-up
100%.
bonus in Portland. Holy crap.
You're not going to get,
yeah.
look, you're not going to get that by driving. Okay. You're going to bust your ass for 40 hours minimum to get 1,200. Sign up, help the driver, do a little coaching session if you're a veteran, help a new driver out, give him, you know, I mean, this is where we are.
This isn't the referral. This isn't the referral bonus I'm talking about. This is the actual sign-up bonus for a new driver.
Oh, yeah, that's referral or sign-up bonus. Yeah, 12. I mean, all I'm saying is you must be on both apps. You must be on not both apps. You must be on multiple both apps, whatever you have in your city. And then I know a lot of rideshare drivers don't like doing delivery. Okay, I get it. And a lot of delivery drivers don't like doing rideshare. So, okay, fine. But if you're a rideshare driver, if you're not on two platforms, and then check out the other ones, like Rides is in Minneapolis. If you're in Minneapolis, you should be on Rides as well. If you're in San Francisco area, you should be on Y-Ride as well. Uber, Lyft, Y-Ride. If you're in Miami, you should be on InDrive and Uber and Lyft and whoever else is there. Have all four apps on. Whoever gives you the most money, go do it. You're out there to make money, right? So that's it.
Yeah, it's definitely something that you should be on multiple. Just again, more tools in your toolbox. And if something happens on one, I saw another comment go by a few minutes ago talking about apps glitch. We've seen that happen where they're down for a little while. You're trying to get out there, and you're only signed up on Uber, and Uber's down. Good luck. You're there goes your morning. There goes your afternoon. There goes your day. Whatever it might be. And what if you need that money because you need to pay rent or something, or you got to go get groceries, whatever it might be. Yeah, you sign up for both, and hey, something happens on one, you get on the other. Actually, here's one story for me. I was driving both Uber and Lyft, as I should be, and as you should be. But I was out. I just started the night. I did 3 rides on Uber because it was back to back to back, and after the 3rd ride, Uber sent me this little notification saying, "Oh, you're kicked off the platform because somebody said that you were tired behind the wheel." And I'm like, "You got to be fucking kidding me!" So I had to deal with this Uber support and all this crap. And then I said, "You know what? Screw it. I'm just going on Lyft." And I was on Lyft the rest of the night. And actually, it was pretty busy, so I was going back to back rides there. And if I was only on Uber and that happened, guess what? I'd be done for the entire night, and I couldn't drive. And it was literally 3 rides in. So yeah, these are why you need to be on multiple platforms.
Yeah, absolutely. So there you go. I'm hearing the cable guy.
We're going to put this poll up again, and I want to see, not in a little while, and I want to see this number go to do you drive both Uber and Lyft? I wanted to see yes at like 75%, because that means you drivers out there are doing the right things in terms of making yourself more available for the potential rides. You're going to make more money out there. You're going to have less downtime. There's a lot of things that are going to happen there. So it's going to be good. So yeah, make sure you sign up. Use the link in the description below. You'll be able to get that bonus. And then email us. Let us know what you're getting when it comes to your sign-on bonus and things like that.
Email me, shoot me a quick email. I'll send you the strategy, what you need according to the guarantee is different, bonus is different. You have to read the small print. Don't be a fool. And then I'll guide you out. Shoot me a quick email, I'll shoot you back. Okay, do shorties. Okay, do this, do that. There's a strategy for each bonus and sign-up bonus or referral bonus. There is a strategy for it. Don't just be happy with the money. You have to figure out how to get it the quickest way. So that's what we're going to do. Yep.
All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.